Hello, welcome to the webinar lesson. Today we talk about English grammar, there is, there are. Lesson plan. First, the affirmative form, there is, there are. Second, negative form. Third, question form. Okay, we use there is and there are to say that something exists. The affirmative form. We use there is for singular and there are for plural. For example, there is one table in the classroom. В классе есть один стул. So we have talking about one table in the classroom. We use there is. Yeah, next. There are 3 chairs in the classroom. В классе есть 3 стула. 3 chairs, this plural. We use there are. There is a spider in the bath. В ванной сидит паук. There are many people at the bus stop. На автобусной остановке много людей. We also use there is uncountable nouns. For example, there is milk in the fridge. В холодильнике есть молоко. Milk, uncountable nouns. We only use there is. Next, there is some sugar on the table. На столе есть немного сахара. Sugar, some sugar, uncountable nouns. We only use there is. Yeah? There is ice cream on your shirt. У тебя на рубашке мороженое. Ice cream. Uncountable nouns, we use there is. Okay. Negative form. The negative is formed by putting not after is or are. For example, there is not a horse in the field. На поле нет ни одной лошади. Not. There are not 8 children in the school. В школе не 8 детей. Are not 8, plural, children. There is not a tree in the garden. В саду нет ни одного дерева. There is not. There are not 2 elephants in the zoo. В зоопарке нет 2 слонов. There are not 2 elephants, singular. We almost always use construction when speaking. The negative construction are there is not, there isn't, there are not, there aren't. Yeah, okay. Questions form. To form questions, we place is, are in front of there. Again, we use any with plural questions for those which use uncountable nouns. We also use there is, there are in short answers. For example, is there a dog in the supermarket? No, there isn't. Есть ли собака в супермаркете? Нет, нету. Short answers, no, there isn't. Okay, are there any dogs in the park? Yes, there are. Есть ли в парке собаки? Да, есть. Is there a security guard in the shop? Yes, there is. Есть ли в магазине охранник? Да, есть. Okay, let's look at the table. English grammar, there is, there are. Meaning to say that something exists or doesn't exist. The three forms, affirmative, negative, and the questions. Affirmative, there is plus singular noun, there are plus plural noun, there is plus uncountable noun. For example, the first, there is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. There are books on the table. And then there is some milk in the fridge. This affirmative form. Negative form, there isn't plus singular noun, there aren't plus plural noun, and there isn't plus uncountable noun. For example, there isn't a pen on the table. Singular noun. There aren't any pens here. Plural noun. There isn't any juice in the fridge. Uncountable noun. Okay. And the questions forms. Okay. There is a cat on the chair. There is. Questions. Is there a cat on the chair? Yes, there is. The short answers. Okay, next. There are cats on the sofa. Are there cats on the sofa? No, there aren't. The short forms. Short answers. Okay, next. How many plus plural noun are there? For example, how many students are there in your class? Next, how many days are there in February? Yeah, okay. Dear listeners, as we understood that there is, we use in the singular. There are, we use in the plural. Okay? Thank you very much for your attention. See you soon. Goodbye.